What's up, guys? Welcome to my podcast. This is Papi. A Merry Christmas to you guys out there. How's your Christmas going? Hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, great. Today's episode is going to be about operating systems. And if you ask me, why do I need to know about operating system? Truth is, the code you write, the applications you run needs a platform that helps you to interact with your computer hardware. I know this might sound crazy for you to understand, especially for those who don't have a computer science background, unlike me. I'm going to be making things very easy and simple for you to understand. Yeah, so let's go. Your operating system helps you to interact with your computer hardware. The question is why? How? Why do I need to interact with my hardware? Yeah, for a moment, let's talk about really what an hardware is. So when I was in school, our teacher talked about the fact that an hardware is something you can see and touch. You can feel it, and technically yes, and sometimes not. So your CPU is an hardware. Your monitor, the screen that displays whatever you are doing, whatever program you're running, is an hardware. Your keyboard for typing, send a command to your system, is also an hardware. The disks or the storage disks where you store your files, your musics, and your videos, that's an hardware too. Talk about your sound cards, your graphic cards, and your motherboard. For the sound cards, basically, without an operating system, you wouldn't be able to run a program. Why? Because your computer is just a bare metal. It's composed of a lot of metallic objects, silicon, and etc. Blah blah blah. So you need something to be able to communicate with this bare metal. Oh, this is what I want to do. Oh, I want to use the keyboard. Oh, I'm typing. Let's cite this simple illustration. For example, let's say you installed your VS Code on your operating system. Let's say Windows operating system, and Voila, an interface, loads on your monitor or on your screen. But the truth is, a lot happens under the hood, and this shows how the hardware and software are related to each other. For the program to run, it needs to be executed in the CPU, in the processing unit. So it means it needs to be processed, and that can only happen in the CPU, which is an hardware. So it's the responsibility of an operating system to allocate that code, load it into the memory, and allow the CPU to execute it. So for the CPU to understand your intentions as the user of your laptop or of your PC, the operating system has to be the translator or the interpreter in between you and the machine and the metal. So basically, there are a lot of operating systems, but I think there are three major operating systems which people use a lot: the Windows operating system, the Mac, Linux operating system. For me, I use the Linux operating system. It's quite good. So that's all for this introduction. In the next video, we talk about what exactly operating systems do. See ya. Bye.